given the functions f of x equals 3x plus 4 and g of x equals 2x raised to 2. Find f plus g of x, f minus g of x, and f times g of x. Number 1, f plus g of x. So, ito ay equal sa f of x plus g of x. So, kukunin lang natin yung sum ng ating dalawang function. So, ano yung value ng ating f of x? So, ito, 3x plus 4 plus yung ating g of x. So, ito, 2x squared. Next, combine like terms. Tingnan natin if meron bang magkapares na term dito. So, dito ay walang magkapares na term. Therefore, i-reorder lang natin. So, uunahin natin yung may mataas na exponent. So, ito, 2x raised to 2 plus, ito, 3x plus 4. So, ito na yung sagot natin for number 1. Number 2, f minus g of x. So, ito ay equal sa f of x minus g of x. So, same process lang yung gagawin natin. So, ano yung value ni f of x? So, ito, 3x plus 4. Then, minus yung ating g of x na 2x raised to 2. 2x raised to 2. Then, combine like terms ulit. Dahil walang magkapares na term dito, i-reorder lang natin to. So, magiging negative 2x squared plus 3x plus 4. So, ito na yung sagot natin for number 2. Number 3, f times g of x. So, dito, kukunin lang natin yung product ng dalawang function. So, yung ating f of x times g of x. So, ano yung f of x natin? So, ito. So, 3x plus 4. Then, yung ating g of x ay 2x raised to 2. So, dito, ang gagawin natin ay i-distribute natin itong 2x raised to 2 dito. So, magiging 3x times 2x raised to 2. Ang sagot natin ay 6x raised to 3. Then, ito, 4 times 2, ang sagot natin ay 8. So, positive 8 plus 8x raised to 2. So, ito na yung sagot natin for number 3.